your spoon handle a thicker Progresso? Introducing Progresso Rich and Hearty Soups, our thickest, chunkiest.
What came next was far more horrifying. Ice9 Kills, or entities working on their behalf, appeared to use artwork created by artificial intelligence to promote a holiday merchandise sale. Chaos erupted. Meshuggah. This was no mere kvetching, as the online world let out a collective geschrei.
Ice9 Kills accused of using AI.
Last week, Ice9 Kills ran a promotion for Memorial Day, and the graphic used was an AI-generated image.
Spencer's online posts and press statements took on a bizarre artificial feel. Now, a growing chorus believes he has been replaced by a highly advanced, if often glitching, artificial intelligence.
Can you see what I see? You connected to catastrophe.